this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. I have a pair of shoes for you guys from Guess. They have sent me this one from France or Italy somewhere to Spain. Delivery was not bad. So let me unpack this one. The beautiful looking pack here. And the main pack is inside. You can see this is Guess original. Okay, we'll go to this later. And some code or another stuff comes with this. Nothing else in the box. So lovely looking box of this one of the Guess. You can see here €150 color black from Guess United States. Nothing else in the box, any part, so I'm gonna take this off from here. This one, beautiful. We'll go to this later. We'll see what else we have inside. Here one paper and the other pair we have here. So lovely. So let me open this one to show you guys how it is. Beautiful. You can see the design. I take out this from the down from protection. Look, is soft material, more thing you have inside. Look at original Guess. Look at the sole, very high quality. The bottom is right and Guess as well. 41 is the size. Very good, very high durable material. Leather, obviously. Beautiful design of this one. The back side you can see one stitch is here, but look very quality product. The sole looks very good and very high tech. Okay, this one is one. You see the less still up, so the tall boot could be 5 inches if I'm not wrong. Okay, the other pair we take out as well. The same is beautiful product, beautiful design. Let me show you a little bit close. You see how the material is, and the laces, and how the quality. You see the stitching to the sole, and look quite durable and strong. When you take at your hand boots, you can feel that it is neither so much light, neither so much heavy. So very beautiful looking Guess boots for you guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.